Welcome to this Common Application tutorial brought to you by the Santa Barbara City College Transfer Academy. Since I don't work for the Common Application, I used a lot of their resources located on their website. I will give you links that you can use so that you can reference those resources. The first resource I'd like to point your attention to is at https://www.commonapp.org/apply/transfer-students. So that website is going to take you to this application guide for transfer students. At the bottom, you can see that they have 5 steps outlined for filling out this application. The first one is to gather your material, and there's a video attached to that. The second step is for you to create an account. There's also a video here on how to create an account. I made one as well. And then if you scroll down, there's a third step, adding the programs. I made a video on this as well, a short one. This is a little bit longer than that if you want to watch it. Engage supporters, so there's a video on that. And the last step is to collect your documents. So this is a video of how to collect documents. The other website that I want to introduce you to is help.liaison.edu.com/the_common_app_for_transfer_help_center. Here you have different topics of assistance. So if you need additional help that my tutorials or the other tutorials on the other page don't answer, you can click on these documents and it'll give you more information. I highly recommend that you click on this quick start guide. It also gives you some quick tips on how to get started on the application. There's videos embedded and other resources. I highly recommend that you check out Review Requirements. There's a link here, Common App for Transfer Requirements Grid, and it outlines all the different schools that are on the Common App and tells you what things are required per application. It gives you their deadlines and also gives you a link to their specific websites if you do have other questions. This is a great resource, so if you're applying to multiple schools, I highly recommend you check out this grid. It's about 57 pages, so it's a lot of information there. So that was just a quick summary of some of the resources you can find on the Common Application website. If you're ready, let's get started. Follow me to the next video.